Yeah! Are you ready, Jam? Yeah!
You ready, bro?
Yeah. So we got the full tank there. That's fucking and cook it in, Army. It's alright, man.
As well there, bro.
Also, I bought some new glasses. Ooh, goddamn, man. Ooh, this is a tricky one, boys. 190 to get home, and range is 175.
Indigo production.
Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we are going to pick up Jaff's car. Right, he's found a new car in London. So I thought, let's just make a video to see how good this car is on fuel. Okay, I made one of these on the S3, but now that the car's running stage 2, we'll see how many miles it can actually get. Hopefully it is he did say there's one in Birmingham and one in London, so we'll see which one we're going to first. Okay, but this is just a video to see how bad or how good this car is on fuel, and it'll give you a rough estimate of if it's worth going stage 2 for you. Okay, so let me go pick Jaff up. I'm gonna fill the tank up and then zero the mileage. That's it, got the main gaffer. That's it, Jaff, you fill her up, mate. You fill her up nice and good. There she go. So he's gonna fill the tank up, and the journey is gonna be 3 hours and 27 minutes, 192 miles. Ooh, this is gonna be a tricky one, Chief, because yeah, this is gonna be interesting. But it's all pretty much gonna be motorway miles. That there, 192. I think I get a full tank about 200 something. That's driving urban. So we shall see. And the whole journey, I'm gonna leave it in normal mode, no eco mode. Okay. Yeah! Are you ready, Jam? Yeah!
You ready, bro?
Yeah. So we got the full tank there. Full tank right there. And now we are going to just zero this. And now we shall see. Beautiful, mate. So we shall see, Jeff.
Have you got a charger, bro?
Nah, bro, that's the thing. Yeah, fucking look for it, mate. Yeah, I thought it was in there. It's not there.
I think I got one in those.
Oh, hold up. Hold up. Because it's like 3 hours and 27
yeah, bro,
there.
And the thing is, no way back, bro.
I don't want to fucking die, me.
Oh, yeah.
You got one?
Yeah, but it's a bit of a shame for the good one.
Oh, wait. USB there.
USB, yeah.
Wait, is it? Wait, is it?
Yeah,
yo, I never noticed that. Fucking hell.
USB in your own fucking car, you.
Oh shit, we can charge all 3 of ours.
Yeah, bro, but the problem is they both got the same phone, so it's like we both using the same game, same stuff. So
I'm 94 anyway, bro. I'll be alright. You charge yours.
71, bro.
Yeah. We shall give you an update when we get there. Here comes Jaff back. We just stopped off at a service station. We had to take a detour. So arrival's 5:46. A what?
Do you want a coffee or anything?
Nah, I'll be alright, yo.
Shall I get one?
Yeah, you can enjoy
I
yourself.
left my phone in here, so I was trying to ring you. I was like flipping it on my phone. Bro. Flipping it on, man.
Yeah. No, I'll be alright. So we've done 118 miles.
Are we looking,
And it's pretty much, yeah, 2 chunks have gone. So we'll see. I think it will be on half tank once we actually get there. Because we've still got, yeah, quite a distance.
2 cows in a field. One says to the other, "What do you think of this mad cow's disease?" The other one replies, "Why are you asking me? I'm a fucking duck." I don't even get it from a fucking dad said it.
So we'll update you once we get there. Right, we have made it into London. Okay, so we just hit the halfway mark. Halfway, and I've done 195. So nearly 200 miles, and we'll get you half tank. Now, going back home, if the motorway is closed, then I'm going to have to take a detour. Then it's going to be a sketchy one trying to get home. But if that motorway is now open, and there's no crash, they've cleaned all that up, then I could get home here and back. But we shall see. Yeah, it is pretty fucking shit, mate, on fuel. But I'll keep you updated. Jaff's just gone for a test drive with the guy, but we shall see if he buys it or not. How's the new car, big man? Yeah, look at that, mate. 1.2. What's it running horsepower? 1.4. Yeah, so we got Jaff's car now. We're gonna travel back. Hopefully I can make it. I am hoping.
Videos?
Hey?
Does the guy watch YouTube videos?
Well, he asked for it. I don't know if he's gonna watch it.
Car's getting sold, lad.
Yeah. Right, so Jaff's filling up. I'm not gonna fill up, so check now. It's 190 miles to get home. Estimated time 10:39. My range is 175, and I am just below, man. This is gonna be a tricky one. I'm not gonna fill up. If I break down, I break down, but I'm hoping. Do you know what? I'm gonna have to put it in eco mode just for the sake. Oh, wait, I'm in fucking race, mate. What's going on? This is why it's fucking tricky. Right, I'm gonna have to put it in eco, to be honest, for the journey back, because it is all. Yeah, this is a tricky one, this, boys. Fuck's sake, I was in race the whole time. I thought I was in fucking normal. Bastard. But there's no difference. It's okay. Be vigilant. Ooh, this is a tricky one, boys. 190 to get home, and range is 175. And I've done 199.9. We're on the way back, but he just needs to put fuel in his new car. Tricky. Well, update you if I break down. So we've stopped off at the service station. Oh, look at that. Katsu curry. Katsu curry. It's good eating right here, man.
What's in this one here?
I got the prawn and the barbecue chicken, I think.
Yeah, I feel like a retail right now, but
It's good eating right here, man. It's good.
Yeah, that's you, that, bro.
Look at that. Fucking good kid, Abby. It's alright,
mine as well there, bro.
Also, I bought some new glasses. Ooh, goddamn, boy. Look at that, man.
Oh, check that, bro. The salt and pepper chicken and a bit of that barbecue jam.
That is beautiful, that, mate.
Today we're going to learn how to use the chopsticks.
Yeah, go on, use the chopsticks, mate.
It's exciting, this
That's
one.
it.
It's exciting, bro.
So we got the forks as well, just in case we don't know how to. We're deaf for one.
We're meant to break them up or we're meant to keep
Yeah,
them
I think,
up?
no, break it, innit? You gotta snap it, I think. Any Chinese donnies in there, bro?
Yeah, bro.
I'm not a clue, mate.
Yeah,
That's it, that's it.
I'll be alright. Yeah, he's been a stab at you.
Yeah, that's it. Oh, bro, I think we just gotta use the forks, mate. So let us eat this and we shall.
You ain't working, you know, bro.
Yeah, it's not gonna. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, fork it. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4. No one's fucking working here. Same thing again. Now estimated time's like 12:30, bro. Fuck's sake, they fucking blocked the whole fucking road off. They are fucking hate these cunts, bro. Fuck's sake. Oh, what a long day. Oh my gosh. So, I'm back home. Look at that. So, for fuck's sake, yeah. The whole journey there, I was in race mode. I didn't even know. The journey back, I did it in eco mode. Okay, altogether, I've done 403 miles with 80 mile range. That's on the eco mode. As soon as I change it to race mode, that will change and it will just go down. So when I got there, I did about 190 miles there. I think a bit more than 190 because we had to take a little detour, right? So it was a full tank and it pretty much went halfway in race mode. And now on the journey back, I've seen it, I was like, no chance. So I put the whole car in eco mode. So eco mode pretty much just wasted 1, 2. So pretty much half, not even halfway, even better than halfway. So I still got all that. If I was in race mode, that, no chance. I wouldn't have made it back home. So, yeah, there we go. Full tank, I've done 403, all motorway miles. No way would I get 403 driving around this area, like urban. No chance. That is just all motorway. I got 80 there. Maybe it could push to 4 something. To be honest, it'll go over 500. If I did the whole journey in eco mode, it'll be over 500. So it's okay on fuel, not the worst and not the best, right? But if you put it in race mode, it pretty much, it will drink like fuck. It will half tank you. You get just below 200 miles. But if you whack in eco mode, beautiful, right? So thanks for watching. I'm finally home. It's been a fucking long day, mate. Right, thanks for watching, see you in the next one.
Oh,